Yung demo. Okay. Would like to thank the technical head of College Week 2012, Jonas Matalco, and Documentation Head, Lenin Libao. Would like to inform everyone of the guidelines for cheer dance competition 2012. All groups must be composed of usual kumapala. So, alam mo bang nasa harapan mo ngayon, ang team mo? May ideya ko ba nasa harapan mo?
Yes! At naiintindihan ako rin lang. Okay, tuloy lang. Nag-exhibition ako. Walang pakialam. Diba?
All groups must be composed of a minimum 30 to a maximum 40 bona fide First Asian students. And they must include the official school chant, the Brave Heart spelling, as part of their routine. And here's our criteria for judging 35 points choreography, which is movement, blocking, and connection to the theme. 35 points creativity, use of appropriate props or materials, and overall impact of the presentation. 20 points synchronization, coordination of movements and cheer, and 10 points to voice, volume, projection, and pronunciation, for a total of 100 points. Sino? Ayun, bakit sira na mic mo? Hello? Sira na, no? Hoy! Sa church yan, friend! Kaya ka naman, oo! Pasensya na po, sir, ha? Hindi mo kasi usin sa Maynila.
Ayun nga. Wow ko. Ikaw naman nagbaton.
Okay, sino kaya ang mananalo sa Cheer Dance 2012? Nasa na? Enrutix! Nasa ang third place? Magpapakalawa, Mastermind! How about Hotelier? Nasa lang Tycoons? At ang defending champion, Mid Defender! Okay, I would like again to remind everyone that your evaluation forms must be submitted to Norris Patitis at the embassy office right after the cheer dance competition. Kasabay ako na. Ayan, we would also like to thank the College Fair Intermunicipal Event Managers for the basketball events. Thank you very much, Sir Arim, Sir Cero for the volleyball events, Miss Don Mercado for the volleyball events. Table tennis is headed by Sir Arnold Mendoza. Sir Arim, thank you for the track and field events. For the chess events, thank you, Sir Jose Romero, and for the cheer dance and last sport, thank you very much, Sir Brian Mendoza. Kung sa inuuto ka nilang lahat ngayon, at nagpaputo ka naman.
Kasi tinakompute mo yung score, so wala kami kumultin. Uy, kaloka. Nalalaglag na talaga yung bra ko. Pataas nga, Kikoy. Mamaya na lang. Nasa school mo tayo. Pag nasa summer field na.
Ano pinagkaiba nung?
Ano mo? Mama, hindi na ako sa bintana dito. Ba't kayo matawa?
Ano bang mali? Wala nang mali.
Sir, may tubig ka naman. Hindi, sa'yo na yan. Uy, tanong ka, sir, nag-enjoy ko ba kayo dito? Talaga?
Wala pa kayo zero?
Tama. Ako, ate. Okay ka lang? Kung mo ko sisingilin sa siko, mamaya na.
Pwede mamupo? Just to be friend.
Ay, sorry. Mamaya na lang mag-uwi na. Magkikita na naman kami sa bahay.
Okay, right
Ayun.
now, we will proceed with the awardings of our major events. Handa na ba kayo, guys?